are pleased to show you the 2016 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. Come take a test drive today.